Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because we are unboxing my November subscription box. It's a little late and I think that might be because of the holiday as well as military mail, but I figured we would still dive in, check them out, see what's in them, and kind of discuss. But you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. If you like this video, make sure you get a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what I got in my BoxyCharm and Ipsy for November, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, I usually start out with my Ipsy. This one is a little envelope. This is the glam bag. And November's just showed up. Well, this one just showed up yesterday, which today is the 3rd of December. So this is a little delayed. Now, my little glam bag, this did show up November 25th. For us, so I'm intrigued to see what's inside it. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is the packaging. It's kind of like a lavender silvery snake skin. That's interesting. I don't remember what the theme was. Glow off this winter. All right, and then of course the contents of each package. I do have my December giveaway going on right now, so any of the items that maybe I already have them in my collection or I wanted to pick them out because I wanted you guys to try them, those will also be going in that giveaway box that will be picked in December. So if you have not seen the details for my holiday giveaway, that is in my holiday unboxing of advent calendars and whatnot. I'll link it down below so you can go and check it out. I know the giveaway, I think, is going until mid or late December, but check out that video. Okay, first thing, this one's not in the bag. I think I picked this one. This is the Formula Z Flash Cryo Lift Eye Masks. Full size MSRP is $21. Tip, stash these in the fridge to maximize their chill factor. I love doing that at home. I have like a skincare fridge that's usually on the bookshelves that I keep my eyeshadow palettes in. I will make do. I mean, it's cold enough. I could probably put these outside my room and they'd get cold, but I love a good eye mask. So there, it looks like there's 2 of them. Okay, so there's 2 of them in here. Let's see. Give your tired eyes a cold shoulder with these cool cryo-infused patches. Will chill out your sleepy, irritated, puffy eyes. Along with caffeine and niacinamide, team up to tackle dark circles, fine lines, and swelling. I love that. Especially because if you've been here before, you know I complain about my little lines underneath my eyes. All right, now let's dive into this bag and see what it contains. Oh, okay, so I know I picked this one because I had the full size with me and I wanted, did I pick this or was it just in there? And I was glad it was coming because I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. This is the Huda Beauty One Coat Wow. Absolutely love this mascara. This is travel size. The MSRP for full size is $13. Is it $13? There's no way. Travel size MSRP is $13. I know the full size is like 20-ish something, but I love this mascara. If I had the travel size, I would carry this with me, but I have other travel sizes that I've been carrying around with me, so I don't need to add to my collection right now, but this will go into the giveaway for you guys. It is one of my favorite mascaras. Let's see. We have Marc Anthony Repair Bond Leave-In Hair Conditioner. I love a good leave-in hair conditioner. This is the Marc Anthony Repair Bond Rescue Plex Leave-In Treatment. Deluxe sample. The MSRP of the full version is $10. Full size version is 250 ml. This is 30 ml. So I could honestly travel with this too. It helps strengthen dull, dry hair from the inside out, but also helps protect against further damage from things like chemicals, heat, and pollution. Okay, awesome. Heat styling for protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We have the $1 Billion Beauty Lip Oil Blushing Effect, clear to pink. I got sent this by $1 Billion Beauty. It's so good. I'm not even gonna open it. So I'm not going to open this one because it's going to go in the giveaway for you guys. I have one of the 3. I think the other one is in my backpack and one is in my purse. But there's the white or the clear one is a blushing to pink. And then there's the pinkish one. And then there's also like a paler rose color one. So this is the clear to pink, which is awesome. Let's see. I did a video just recently where I reviewed. So I'm not going to open it and show you what the component looks like. It's like this, but it's probably clear. Whereas this, it's the stick that has the color, not necessarily the lip oil. It's so good though. Definitely go check out $1 Billion Beauty if you haven't before. So it's a pH lip oil, full size, retails for $18. Adapts to your body's chemistry, transforming into a custom shade that matches your new unique vibes. Plus one swipe leaves lips luscious and drenched in weightless hydration without any of the stickiness. I absolutely love the lip oil. One's in my desk, one's in my bag for work, and then one is with me when I like walk around the area and whatnot. So good. And then the last item we have from Femu. Oh, I have the full size in my shower right now. So is this literally all the travel size of the things that, I mean, this would be great for traveling because I do need a smaller thing of face cleanser and whatnot. This is perfect. There's part of me that's like, oh, put it in the giveaway, but also I know that I need this for traveling because we have some trips where I'm not checking a bag, I'm just carrying on. It is a really good face cleanser though. So full size retails for $52. It's 125 ml for full size. It's a gentle botanical based gel cleanser, slightly acidic to keep your skin's pH level in check. Formulated with nutrient-rich blueberry extract to wash away oil, dirt, and pollution without stripping your skin's natural oils, while the floral scent helps lift your mood and calm your mind. I really like it. My skin feels really nice and clean afterwards. But you guys, that's everything for the glam bag. I'm not going to total this up because it is just travel size and deluxe samples, but I will be setting a couple things aside for the giveaway box. Like I said, go check that out in my previous video. Okay, you guys, so I originally said this is BoxyCharm. I want to say this is the Icon Box. At least that's what my customs form says. So in order for packages to be shipped to military mail, especially outside of the country, they require a customs form. This one says it's the November Icon Box. So there's a lot of stuff in here. It is heavy. I do remember there were some things I was allowed to pick, and I think I picked a couple items that I already have in my collection so I could do the giveaway for you guys and just they're good things. All right, so the Icon Box is curated by Lisa Vanderpump. If you have not watched Vanderpump Rules, which I didn't start watching until earlier this year, like a guilty pleasure in the background, and I'm like, the drama. And I'm like, no one's life is this dramatic. Reality TV? What? Okay, you guys, so because we're into December, the items that are in my box, I have to look at all the items and then pick and choose each item to get the details. All right, first thing in here. Ooh, this is from LYS Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick. Okay, you guys, so I was looking in the app to kind of find the details, but I wasn't finding the first item, which is the LYS Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick. It's in here. Sometimes the details are, sometimes they're not. So full size retails for $20. I absolutely love LYS. This is in the shade Sincere. Their products are so good, very affordable. Okay, I'm having the hardest time trying to figure out the opening on this. It was fighting me, it didn't want to open up. Ooh, I really like the component. It's kind of like a blush pink. This is super cute. I don't think I've ever purchased one of their lip products. And it's kind of one of those like stiletto type of lipsticks. I'm excited to try this. Ooh, and it's a beautiful shade. That is right up my alley. I will be looking forward to using this. Such a beautiful shade. Okay, we have from Elemis Skin Buff Deep Cleansing Exfoliator. I absolutely love Elemis skincare products. The full size retails for $49. And I've used this before. Use weekly, dampen skin. In the States though, this can get really expensive depending on like what you're getting from Elemis. I've been loving purchasing from German Amazon because European products are more affordable. The import fees are atrocious. But this is such a good exfoliator. And I'm like, ooh, do I keep this? I have an exfoliator right now, but this one has a finer granule for the exfoliation of your skin. And I think I'm talking myself into keeping it, honestly. We have from Dominique Cosmetics the cream bronzer. This retails for $26. I have mine in the shade medium tan. I'm excited for this. I did not purchase it when it came out. I had so many cream bronzers that I was trying out. I was like, oh, do I really need another one right now? I'm so glad I got this in the box because I wanted to try it so freaking bad. And then I love her products because like there's usually a mirror that has writing on it. So this one says radiate your warmth. So that should be the right shade. And I can't remember if I got to choose my color or they chose one for me based off of what like your skin profile. Make sure you update that so you get the right shades. This one I know I picked for you guys because I already have it in my collection. It's the Pat McGrath Labs Bijou Brilliance Eyeshadow Palette in Lunar Nightshade. I just pulled this out right before I left and did a look with it, just kind of like a shop my stash. And I think because I love Pat McGrath shadows, they're so beautiful. But this palette, when you see the color story, and the only reason I'm opening it right now is because I don't have mine with me, but I want to show it to you guys. Look how beautiful this color story is. And when you look at it, you might go, okay, well, I don't know how I'm going to work these in together. They were so beautiful. I'll have to see if I can find the video that I did like shop my stash with this. That eye looked turned out so beautifully. This palette retails for $36, and I'm so excited that I was able to pick that out for you guys. We have the TYS Angel Face Heaven Setting Powder. This retails for $26. Oh, this looks like it's a baked setting powder. Super soft sheer setting powder for angel face skin. Packed with skincare activities. Helps eliminate unwanted shine, imperfections for a soft focus finish. Packed with cocoa seed butter and evening primrose oil to help promote smoothness and moisture of the skin. Feels like heaven, looks like a dream. Okay, interesting. We have, oh, I have this. I love it. I use it when I put my hair down straight. This is the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother Leave-In Styling Treatment. I love this. Okay, so I had to look this up on Sephora because it wasn't on the app. It wasn't in the little pamphlet. This retails for $30. I can tell you that's not what I bought it for in Europe. I am going to put this in the giveaway because I think it is a phenomenal product, and I literally just purchased a brand new container of it when I got to Germany. I'll probably purchase a brand new one before I leave, but I think that one of you guys will benefit from this. And if you don't like it, you can also give it to one of your friends or family so they can get some use out of it. But I absolutely love this. It's good for reducing frizz up to 72 hours. So what I'll do is Thursday, because I'll put my hair up Thursday for work or even Friday for work, depending on like what our work schedule looks like in civilian military attire. If I'm going out on Saturday and Sunday where I get to wear my hair down, Friday I will do my hair with the Olaplex, as well as there's a spray product that I use. I'll have to look it up. I will do that along with my hair gel and put my hair back. So throughout the day, it's already in my hair. And then when I get back to my room, I will flat iron, straighten everything that I need to do, and my hair is good to go. It's already worked in. I don't have to worry about when I get home rewashing my hair. It's done. But that is such a good product. I absolutely love it. We have the Santorini, is this coarse? Volcanic Skin Reset Mask. Okay, so this retails for $39. It is 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓. Apply a thick layer to face, avoiding the eye area. Massage gel to burst. Use 2 to 3 times a week. So leave on for 15 minutes. Okay, so this is like a leave on mask for your skin to pore, detox, and clarify. Okay, I was just wondering. I was like, what are the details? I love that. Sometimes you just need a really good clay mask. We have an eyeshadow palette. So this one is from Tarte. Okay, so this is the Tartelette Juicy Amazonian Clay Palette. It's neutral shades. It retails for $47. I literally just did a holiday unboxing with Tarte eyeshadow palettes, and I kept one of the 3. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box as well. Do I need to keep this one? Ooh, it is really pretty. Beautiful pinky shades, nude tones. You've got some browns in here. I don't think I need to keep this because I did keep the pinky palette from Tarte. So since this also has pink shades in it, I'll keep the one from the holiday collection, and I will put this one because it's more travel ready for like if you want the pink tones, the brown tones, neutrals, all of that. I don't need to keep all of them. And then the last item, this is the Il Makiage High Point Bronzer, Blush, and Highlighter Pro Palettes. This retails for $72. I don't know that I need a whole big palette. Okay, so it's got the acrylic packaging. Why are there only 4 all this packaging for 4 shades? Okay, I do like that it looks like it's baked bronzer, highlighter. It might be 2 highlighters and then a blush. I'm not keeping this for myself. I have a lot of those products with me, and I'm just thinking about trying to pack it up and like take it back with me. So I'm thinking I would rather just put it in the giveaway for you guys. I think I'm this box because I already have it in my collection, or I don't need it. But it's great for you guys if you submit your entries into the giveaway. Let me go total up this box and see how much is in this icon box. Okay, you guys, this box totaled up to $345. That is amazing. There's a lot of products in here. I did not spend $345 on this box. That is phenomenal. I love receiving the icon box. It's quarterly. I think the next one I get is in February. But I always receive some amazing products. Sometimes they're things I never would have picked up because of the price point, or I didn't think I needed in my collection. Maybe I passed on them because I was trying out too many things at the time. So I love that opportunity that Ipsy provides to me when I receive my icon box, because it's curated by someone different each time and it's based off of the picks that they use in their daily routine. So I love that. And sometimes it's a surprise. I know I get to pick a couple things, but I absolutely forget some of the items I choose myself. But you guys, you'll have to let me know. Do you get Ipsy Glam Bag? Do you get BoxyCharm or Icon Box? Are you interested in trying it out? I'll put my link down below if you do want to check it out. I'm not affiliated. I just love receiving these subscription boxes. A lot of times I keep some things for me and then break the other things down and give them to you in my seasonal giveaways. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.